Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set who can follow your activity in Apple Music on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, tap on Apple Music. Then at the bottom, tap on Listen Now. Next, tap on the profile icon at the top right hand corner. In the account page, tap on View Profile under your profile name. Next, tap on Edit. Then go to Who can follow your activity. In here, you can choose everyone or only people you approve. And after that, you can tap on Done. And that's it. Now you can continue to listen to your music by tapping on the Listen Now or the Browse button. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.